temperature was 78 degrees, the dew point was 57, and the relative humidity was 48%. The wind was northwest at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.03 inches and falling. Around the metro, skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny. It was 76 at St. Paul, 77 at South St. Paul, 77 at Lakeville, and 76 at Eden Prairie. Crystal reported 76, Blaine reported 77, and Lake Helma reported 73. Across the rest of Minnesota, it was sunny with a temperature of 75 at Mankato and 75 at St. Cloud. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 75 at Rochester, 69 at Duluth, and 74 at Alexandria. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 72 at Brainerd, 66 at Bemidji, and 65 at Hibbing. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 63 at International Falls and 78 at Marshall. Around Wisconsin, it was sunny, with a temperature of 74 at Osceola, 77 at Green Bay, and 79 at La Crosse. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 75 at Eau Claire, 71 at Rice Lake, 76 at Wausau, and 76 at Milwaukee. At Madison, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 77. Across the eastern Dakotas, skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny. It was 73 at Fargo, 75 at Watertown, and 79 at Sioux Falls. In Iowa, skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny. It was 79 at Des Moines, 79 at Sioux City, and 77 at Mason City. Once again at noon, in the Twin Cities, it was 78 degrees under mostly sunny skies. The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 NOAA weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming. This is weather radio station KEC65.